Episode 5 Play Again and High Score. What's up, guys? It's LT here. Episode 5 is divided into two sections, Play Again and High Score. So we'll begin with Play Again. Okay, as always, I'm just doing file save as a copy so I can keep track of all the code that I've been doing in the past and I can refer to it if necessary. I'm going to create a new sprite called Play Again, and basically I just want the snail that is on the ground to say play again, like to ask play again when the game ends, and then when the player clicks on this sprite, then you'll be able to play the game again. Pretty straightforward. So I'm using a rectangle tool and deleting one of the points to make it into a triangle. So it looks like a talk bubble. And just adjusting it a little bit. That should do it. I'm not worrying about the size of this talk bubble. I just want the shape to be exactly what I want. I can always change the size later with code. So just playing around with it a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make it a little bit squishier and just put the text in the front. Okay, so when green flag has been clicked, I want to set the size to, let's do 70%, put it right on top of our snail here. But I think I want the triangle part to be on the other side, so I just use flip horizontal, and I want the pointy part to face the snail a little bit more, so ungroup that and just transform it so the pointy part points inwards just a little bit. That should do it. Very good. Yes, looking pretty good. And go to where I have placed the talk bubble. When I receive game over, I want this to be shown after, let's say, 5 seconds. But when the green flag is clicked, I want it to hide. So this is only going to appear at the end when the sprite receives game over. And when this sprite is clicked, we're going to broadcast play button clicked. So it's going to function pretty much the same way as the actual play button that appears when you initially start this game. Let's just make sure it works. Speeding through so we can go to the end here. You're playing. The score is working as it should. Okay, now it's game over. The sun has come and the sky has turned blue. Okay, play again. Oh, the timer is going, but the rain isn't falling and the score isn't reset to 0. So why is that? Well, we have to use the variable set game over to 0. So the rain only falls when game over equals 0. And also we need, when I receive play button clicked, set raindrop click to 0 to restart the score and make it turn into 0. Here we go. It should work. In the backdrop, I'm just gonna put, when I click play button. Then I want to change the backdrop back to the cloudy sky. So that's working. Awesome. So let's create a high score. So create a new sprite. Call it high score. And I'm just going to type in high score. Maybe just with a white color. Just in the middle here. High score. I'm just gonna center that. Yes. And then move it in the game. And then we're gonna say when green flag has been clicked, set size to 80%. I keep clicking on the leaf. Okay. High score. I'm just gonna add this at the end. And maybe just set size to 70% instead. So that's right inside the leaf. And we're going to go to that position and we're gonna create a high score cloud variable. Please note that you can only create a cloud variable if you are a scratcher. If you need help on how to become a scratcher, you can Google it and find that information. But usually it takes probably about 1 to 2 weeks, and you have to have shared at least a project, I think. There's different rules and they might change, so be sure to check that out if necessary. So we go to our scoreboard sprite and we say if raindrop clicked is higher than our cloud variable high score, then set high score to raindrops clicked. And we're gonna do this forever. And I'm just gonna change the display, right click on that and do the large readout. And just gonna place it there. But I don't think I want it to appear from the beginning of the game. Probably I'll just have it appear when it's game over. When I receive game over, show variable high score. When the game starts, hide that variable. Oh, the high score text is showing in front of the game window. So let's just use go backward and just click on it and there we go. It went behind the game screen. Okay, we're playing the game. Oh, I don't want the high score text to show when you're playing the game. I want it to show only when I receive game over. So let's try that again. Okay, everything related to high score is gone. You're playing the game. And then you run out of time. The sky should change colors. Snail 2 says thanks for playing. And then you see the high score. You play again. And yes, you can play again. Oh, but the high score doesn't hide. Let's go to the scoreboard. And what do we need to add here? When I receive play button clicked, then I want to hide high score. And I also want to do the same for the high score text. Duplicate that. And when I receive play button clicked, hide. Okay. Well, this is the final game. We finally made it to the end. If you want to play this game, you can check it out by finding our username, user/Ottiya_teachers. And you can check out the project there. But oh my goodness, guys, I'm so proud of you if you made it this far. I am really excited to see how you made your game. Did you make the same rain pop game, or did you make a bubble pop game, or a popcorn pop game? I don't know, but I hope that this tutorial series was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to share your project with us on Twitter by tagging at Ottiya_global and hashtag Ottiya coding so that you can share with the global community. And we're so happy that you have joined us. I hope that this was really fun for you, and I hope to see you in another tutorial series in the near future. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.